everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today I have an amazing haul for you guys. It's going to be about 30 items that I bought from Plato's Closet to sell on Poshmark. So all of these were purchased at the Plato's Closet clearance sale, and I just found some amazing stuff. Sorry for my little hiatus this week. I had intended to film this earlier, and I have been without internet at my house since Monday. So they actually had to go in and rewire everything to get my internet back up and running, but you're back in business. Want to thank all the people who came to the meetup Monday night in Myrtle Beach. Me and Steve Rakin had a meetup in Myrtle Beach at Dave & Buster's, and it was just a great time to sit down with some other sellers and to talk to them. And everybody has such different businesses. When you resell and you are doing the same thing, but everybody sells different stuff, and it was just a really great time to sit and talk with different people. Okay, so let's go into the haul. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. If you are in my private training group, my Poshmark strategy group, I am going to be having a live haul where I'm actually going to be going through this stuff, and we're going to be talking about how much I paid for it, and we are also going to be talking about which items I actually bought when they were 70% off versus 90% off. And I'm going to give you guys in the group some strategies to actually source at Plato's Closet and sort of my approach to sourcing at a place like Plato's Closet. So if you are not in the private training group, definitely send me an email to poshbosshelp@gmail.com, and I will send you over the information to get added into that if you would like to participate in our live trainings. Okay, so first item are these Pilcrow and the letterpress jeans. Like I said, I like dark wash jeans. You can see the Pilcrow here on the back. These are an Anthropologie brand. See if there's a tag in them anywhere. Usually it has the Pilcrow stitched into it, but these don't. But just a really good basic pair of skinny jeans. Really good condition. They look almost brand new. They feel almost brand new. Definitely a great brand to pick up. I was excited to find those. I was excited to find some stuff for spring. I found these really cute Free People shorts. They have just some really cute metallic detail on them, and then these are the pockets on the back. Here is the tag. Free People, size 27. Just really cute, trendy items. That's one reason I like sourcing at Plato's Closet. Most of the styles are very current and very trendy. Next, I was pretty surprised to find this at Plato's Closet. It is a, you can see this, Johnny Was top. Focus, there we go. Really pretty silk Johnny Was top, just gorgeous embroidery, which is what Johnny Was is known for. Beautiful sleeves, beautiful pattern. This is great for springtime. It is long sleeves, but it's very lightweight, so it can definitely be worn in the springtime. I love finding Johnny Was pieces. They are just so pretty, and they sell so well. Next is another Free People piece. This is extremely heavy, but you can see the tag there. Just a really long sweater, as you can see. Sweater dress, tunic, whatever you would like to call it. Really beautiful pink color, cable knit, chunky. Definitely a winter piece, but it was priced so low, I just had to get it. You can feel it and tell it's just amazing quality. Just really beautiful piece from Free People. Next is a top from Maeve. Maeve is another Anthropologie brand. Really beautiful floral pattern, will be great for springtime. Also has these really cute buttons on the shoulder. little pearl buttons. And then kind of the boho style pleated sleeves. It's another Free People piece. I found a ton of Free People. You can see the little tag there. Really cute chambray top. Doesn't really look like your typical Free People piece, but just a really cute chambray signature classic top. I love the pattern on this. I love the pockets. Really good for fall or spring. Definitely a staple wardrobe piece. It has buttons on the sleeves. Really, really great piece. It is a size small. Has just awesome details on it. Next is another chambray top. It is by Cloth and Stone. Another awesome signature piece that you can wear pretty much any time of year. Great for layering, great for cool or warm weather. Next is this really, really adorable Free People dress. Very like 50s Marilyn Monroe, kind of ruched in the middle. Buttons completely down, and it is just absolutely adorable. Very classic cut. It has kind of some elastic detail on the shoulder. Just a really, really classic dress. Great for springtime. Next, I was really excited to find these. I don't really find this brand a ton, but these are, you can see this, by Vince. You can see it better on the button. There we go. Bright yellow pants by Vince. I just absolutely love these for spring. Definitely a fun color. I love finding unique pants. You know, different colors usually sell better than the basic pants or basic jeans. But always, always, always look for bright colors for springtime. Next, these are just some Old Navy Rockstar jeans, but when stuff is on such a steep clearance price, I try to pick it up. I do sell these pretty consistently on multiple platforms. So they are the mid-rise, which I like, and they are skinny cut. So people love these mall bread and butter brands. Definitely don't rule them out. I will link my Goodwill Outlet guide down below if you are interested in seeing the brands that I pick up at cheaper prices. Next item is another pair of Pilcro and the letterpress. These are a really, really fun color. I'm not sure if you can tell the color very well on camera, but they are like a really deep teal blue green. Just really, really beautiful pair of pants. They are not corduroy. They might look a little bit corduroy. They're more of like a lightweight denim, really soft, lightweight denim. Again, Pilcro is an Anthropologie brand. I'm finding more of their jeans lately, but I'm not complaining about it. Next is another pair of Free People pants. Again, another great color for spring, kind of like a faded orange yellow color. Skinny fit. Just really trendy, really good color for spring. They are size 26, so a smaller size, and apparently they were featured on their Instagram. These are a little bit weird. They are pants, kind of like a dress pant, and they are by Lily Pulitzer. They are like a really good neutral pant. The quality is amazing. They're like a really thick cotton, like legging, almost like leggings, but really thick leggings, like almost like workout pants. But you could definitely wear these like to work, and it has the signature L on the pockets, which I like. These are called the Worth Skinny Pants. So super excited to find these left at the clearance. Next, these are by Vineyard Vines. Again, another fun color for springtime. They have the little whale on the back pocket. Another skinny cut. More straight cut than skinny, but almost skinny. Next, these are men's, but they are brand new with tag. Vineyard Vines corduroy pants. They are a size 28 by 30, so they're a little small, but they were new with tag, so I couldn't leave them behind, especially when they were on clearance. So I was excited to find something brand new. Next, these are some really cute J. Crew factory like linen pants. Really gorgeous pattern. These would be great to wear to the beach, to dinner. Just a really great beach look. You can even wear them as like a cover up for your swimsuit. They're super lightweight. Next, these are cut from the cloth. They are the Mia Skinny Toothpick Jean. Again, dark wash. They look almost brand new. Like, most of the stuff I found is in just amazing condition, even if it's not new with tags. This clearance sale is no joke. I love this clearance sale. It's like one of my favorite sales of the year. Next, I am just on a roll with my brightly colored pants today, but these are Madewell size, well, they are the skinny ankle pants, and they are size 29. Gorgeous color. They are kind of like a faded vintage color, but just light enough for spring. And they feel a lot like denim. I'm pretty sure they're denim. Next is more Pilcrow in the letterpress. Another pair of jeans, size 26. Very dark wash, skinny. Super excited. Next, these are Denim & Company. They're plus size 24, which is a really fun print. And they are kind of like a cropped ankle pants. Amazing condition. Love the camo print. Again, fun colors, unique. Definitely are gonna sell faster than a basic pair of pants. Next, love this top. It is by the brand Flying Tomato. Really gorgeous embroidery. It is more of like a 3/4 length sleeve, so better for spring and summer, but I love these. Oh, I think it's a dress. Yeah, it's a dress, or like a tunic. Just a really great transitional piece for springtime. Next, I don't know how many people know about this brand. It definitely started in the South, but I've been seeing it more and more on fashion bloggers. They do carry it in Red Dress Boutique, which I talk about a lot, but this is just a really cute little, I think it's a dress, yeah. Really cute little dress. It has this little bow on the side. It does have pockets. Just an adorable little piece for summertime. I absolutely love Judith March. She just has the cutest stuff. Next, I think this is another, yeah, this is another Judith March piece. Gorgeous print on this. Great for the beach, great for summertime. Just a cute little sundress. You could wear this during the day, you could wear this to dinner at the beach. I absolutely love pieces like this because you can wear them so many places during the summer. You can pair this with like a jean jacket. This is by Woo and Gray. Really nice knit top. Super lightweight. You could wear this really any time of year. I'm a pretty cold-natured person, so I will wear stuff like this in the summer if I know I'm going to be in the air conditioner inside somewhere. You can wear it with leggings, jeans. Just a really good transitional piece. Next is this really weird Free People top. I almost put it back, but it's just unique enough to where I think it will sell. It's black with this really pretty turquoise detail on it. It has like this rope detail around the neck. It has like netting. It is just a really unique piece. That is like why I have this appreciation for Free People. It's because they have such unique clothes. Just really gorgeous pieces. Next, I found another pair of Vineyard Vines pants for men. Springtime color. I was actually really surprised to find as many items for spring as I did on the clearance sale. Next, this is another Judith March piece. I think this is a romper. Just a really, really pretty, bright colored romper, bell sleeves, great for the beach. Definitely more of like a nighttime piece. Next is a men's shirt. It is from J. Crew Mercantile. Again, another great bread and butter brand when you can find it on super cheap clearance. You know, just be careful with how much you spend on like lower end brands. And I don't want to say J. Crew's lower end, but you just have to be careful when, you know, there are a lot of these just basic men's shirts listed, so you can't really spend too much on them. Next is a Southern Tide skipjack polo. It is long sleeves, brown long sleeves. I don't know if this is a Southern brand or this is prevalent like across the country, but this brand is really popular here. And I was surprised to find it on clearance at Plato's Closet and the Vineyard Vines, because they usually don't include those with the clearance. Next, this is if I can find it. Oh, this is by which is a boutique brand. You see it a lot at boutiques. This is so gorgeous. I just love this pattern on this shirt. Really awesome floral pattern. Just really beautiful. Could work for spring or for fall. You could really wear this any time of the year. Then I have this really cute J. Jill top. More of like a tunic, but really, really cute for springtime. It has really precious bright color stripes on it. Again, another bread and butter brand that I usually try to pick up as cheap as possible. Okay guys, that is my Plato's Closet haul for you. Like I said, I'm going to be going live in my private training group and going over cost of goods, strategies for shopping at Plato's Closet, all that good stuff. If you would like to join in on that, definitely email me poshbosshelp@gmail.com, and I will see you guys in the next video.